Today in this video, I'm gonna guide you how to deactivate Instagram account. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to internet. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Watch this video till the end so you will know how to deactivate Instagram account. Now let's get straight into the process. Open any of the browser in your device. Here I will be using Google. Here I go. Now at the top you can see that search bar, type their Instagram login. Now at the top you can see that link for Instagram login has appeared. You have to tap on that link. Now you have to enter the password and email of the Instagram that you want to deactivate. Now here I will be entering my password. After you are done, tap on login. Here I will be tapping on not now. You can see that your profile has appeared. Now at the bottom right corner you can see that profile icon, tap on that. Now at the top you can see the option of edit profile, tap on that. Now scroll down. You can see the option of temporarily deactivate my account, tap on that. Now here you can see the option of why are you disabling your account. You have to tap on that option and then choose any of the option that is related to you. Here I will be choosing just need a break. Now you have to enter your password here. After you are done, you have to tap on that option temporarily disable account. Tap on yes. You can see that I have easily deactivated my Instagram account. I hope now you guys are clear about how to deactivate Instagram account. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also hit that bell icon so you get notified every time you post new videos. Comment down below what you guys wanna see next. Thank you.